In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have your Drive connected so you can attach files, link folders, and keep everything in one place inside your tasks and docs. First, open ClickUp in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace. Any ClickUp page is fine to start from. We're heading to your account area, so click your profile avatar. This opens a menu with personal and workspace options. From here, choose Settings to access all of your account and workspace controls. Inside Settings, look for the App Center. This is where all ClickUp integrations live. It's the hub for connecting tools like Drive, Slack, calendars, and more. If you're just browsing, you can take a quick look at the Featured section to see popular integrations highlighted by ClickUp. It's a handy way to discover what your team might benefit from, but we'll go straight to what we need. Use the App Center search and type Google Drive. You'll see the Google Drive integration card show up. Click it to open the details page, which gives you a quick overview of what the integration can do and what it needs access to. When you're ready, click Connect. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account and grant permissions. These permissions allow ClickUp to find and attach your Drive files without copying or moving the originals. If you work with multiple Google accounts, pick the one that contains the files you plan to use with your team. If your organization manages Google permissions, you may need admin approval. If you're blocked, reach out to your workspace administrator. Once the connection completes, you're all set. From now on, when you're in a task or a doc in ClickUp, use the attach or link options to browse your Google Drive and add files directly. You'll be able to search your Drive, link to files without re-uploading them, and keep your ClickUp tasks in sync with the latest versions of your documents. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. Keep your Drive organized with clear folder names so you can find files quickly from the ClickUp picker. If you switch Google accounts later, return to the App Center to review or update the connection. And if a teammate can't see a file, check the sharing settings in Google Drive to ensure they have access there as well. That's it. You've connected Google Drive to ClickUp, streamlined your workflow, and made it easier to keep work and files together.